Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to reduce the size of the video. First, drag and drop your video on handbrake. Now go to video tab and reduce the quality. Then go to browse and select where you want to export your video. I'm just gonna export it on desktop. Then just give it a name and click on save. Then click start encode. You can see it is progressing on here. It is 6% done. Here we can see our converted video. Now as you can see, it is 50% done. Now as you can see, it is 95% done. Now it is finished. Let's see a quick size comparison. Here you can see it is 98.5 MB and the video we converted is 7.3 MB. See. Thanks for watching my video.